A roofing project is a major investment, and for many homeowners, the process can feel uncertain or overwhelming. Knowing what to expect helps reduce stress and ensures you feel confident every step of the way. When working with experienced Roofing Macomb contractors, the process is designed to be organized, transparent, and focused on protecting your home. Here's what Macomb homeowners can typically expect during a professional roofing project. Initial consultation and roof inspection. The roofing process usually begins with a detailed inspection. Roofing Macomb contractors assess the current condition of your roof, looking for issues such as worn shingles, leaks, structural concerns, or storm damage. During this stage, contractors discuss your concerns, answer questions, and explain whether repair or full replacement is recommended. This consultation helps homeowners understand the scope of work before moving forward. Clear project planning and estimates. Once the inspection is complete, roofing contractors provide a clear plan for the project. This includes outlining the materials to be used, the estimated timeline, and the overall cost. For Macomb homeowners, this transparency ensures there are no surprises later. Contractors also explain how the roofing project will address both immediate concerns and long-term durability. Preparing your property for the project before work begins, Roofing Macomb contractors take steps to protect your home and property. This may include covering landscaping, protecting siding, and positioning equipment to minimize disruption. Homeowners are often advised on simple preparation steps, such as moving vehicles or securing outdoor items, to ensure the work area is safe and accessible. Removal of old roofing materials. If the project involves a replacement, contractors begin by removing old shingles and materials. This step allows them to inspect the roof deck beneath for any hidden damage. For Macomb homes, identifying and addressing underlying issues at this stage is crucial for ensuring the new roof performs well and lasts longer. Addressing structural repairs. If needed during removal, contractors may discover damaged decking or compromised areas. These issues are addressed before installing new materials. Roofing Macomb contractors communicate these findings clearly so homeowners understand why repairs are necessary and how they support long-term roof performance. Installation of protective layers. Before new shingles are installed, contractors apply protective layers such as underlayment and moisture barriers. These layers help prevent leaks and improve overall roof durability. In Macomb's changing weather conditions, these protective elements are essential for keeping homes dry and secure. Installing the new roofing materials. The installation phase is where your new roof takes shape. Contractors carefully install shingles or other roofing materials according to manufacturer guidelines and best practices. Macomb homeowners can expect skilled workmanship that ensures proper alignment, secure fastening, and consistent coverage across the roof. Ongoing communication. During the project. Throughout the roofing process, professional contractors maintain open communication. Homeowners are kept informed about progress, timelines, and any adjustments needed. This ongoing dialogue helps Macomb homeowners feel involved and reassured during the project. Final inspection and cleanup. Once installation is complete, contractors conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything meets quality standards. They check for proper sealing, ventilation, and overall appearance. Cleanup is also a key part of the process. Roofing Macomb contractors remove debris, nails, and leftover materials, leaving your property clean and safe. Post-project guidance and peace of mind. After the project, contractors provide guidance on roof care and answer any remaining questions. Homeowners can feel confident knowing their roof is built to protect their home. A smooth roofing experience for Macomb homeowners. Working with professional Roofing Macomb contractors means knowing what to expect from start to finish. With clear communication, careful workmanship, and attention to detail, the roofing process becomes a manageable and rewarding experience, one that enhances your home's safety, comfort, and long-term value.